Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing an unboxing of Little Boutique's Trick or Treat box. The box costs £15, which also includes the postage, and has a variety of items made in-house by their designers. You also get an exclusive sale to other items which are branded in their Facebook group, and each subscriber gets automatically entered into their outfit competition where you can win a full outfit. I will add all the links into the description, so make sure that you check it out. So this is the box. Let's get it open and see what's inside. So this paper, I think, indicates whether you've won a competition or not. I think it has to be a colour. Right, so lots of bubble wrap. Let's have a look at the first item, which is this one. So this has got my name written on it, Batbones. That's the mug. And it says Dead Thirsty. I love moths, so I will use this. And you can never have enough cups, especially for guests. But it's one of those metal ones, which is cool. Just be careful that you don't, if you do put tea or coffee in these, I think they get a bit hot. But no, that's cute. Next item is, oh, it's like a matching thing to the cup. That is adorable. Oh my God, I love that. It's like the acrylic necklaces with the laser etched design. That's awesome. I really like that. Icy hot chocolate. So there is some Galaxy hot chocolate in here. Lovely. That will go in my new cup. I also have a cute lollipop. Some cheeky animals from Cadbury's. I can't eat these, unfortunately, so I'll give them to my husband. And then I think these are coasters. Oh, they smell like burnt wood. Oh, these are so cute. They're coasters. So I think this is like tea themed, hot chocolate themed. Oh, they're so adorable. And there's 4 of those. And the last item is a stirrer. That's so cute. Spiderweb coasters, £4.99. Dead Thirsty mug, £9.99. Moth necklace, £6.99. Swizzle stick, 99p. And lollipop, 50p. Postage is on us. Your box was worth £23.46. That's really cool. Like, I'm such a klutz today. I've never seen a company include the prices, and I think you're kind of just left to estimate how much a box is worth, whereas this is really nice that it actually tells you how much you're getting. Like the honesty in a company, that's really cool. 23 quid and you're paying 15, so it's worth it. And they're a mystery, of course, which is the great thing about these boxes. But the coasters are really cute. I will definitely be using them. I'll use the stirrer as long as it doesn't disappear. I will definitely be wearing the necklace. That is beautiful. So yeah, I'm really happy with this, to be honest. I'm so impressed with the fact that they tell you the cost of each item. I really like that. So that is my unboxing. It was really quick, but no, I think that's really good. Thank you so much, Little Boutique, for sending me this box. I really, really liked it. I love the fact that there's homeware stuff in there. I think I'm more drawn to things that are homeware rather than always being necklaces and jewellery and clothing items. Thank you for watching. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you want to see more of me, make sure that you click that subscribe button. And if you already are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Take care of yourselves and don't forget to stay spooky.